if I'm developing a system to trade in Australia, Australian stocks, all stocks on the Australian market, let's just say it's a long-term trend following system, I would take all of the tickers and I would randomly select 50% of the tickers and to develop my system on a random 50% and then validate it on the other 50%. I would also take a slice of time and test it on that slice of time and save another time period to validate on. I would also then take that strategy once I'd validated it on Australia and go apply it to Canada and the US and a couple of other markets and just check that it holds up. It doesn't have to work amazingly well on those other markets, but as long as it doesn't completely fall apart.